Hello, cousins and family. Welcome back to another episode of Lena's Foodies. I'm glad you are here today. As you have noticed on the description of the title of these videos, yes, we are making roaster cook or roaster broikie. So yeah, a big shout out to Namibia, South Africa. This is one of the bread that we use when we normally have braai. Okay, it's similar to barbecue, but it's not the same. Okay, don't get it twisted. So come along as I take you through this whole event. It was 1st of July, which is Canada Day, so that's why we are making this. Yeah, come along. So my dough was already pre-raised, so it has been sitting for an hour or so. So the dough is just normally the same way you would make a mixture of bread. You would use, in this case, I used 6 cups of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and then I also used a pinch of salt with lukewarm water and yeast. Okay, so that's the only few ingredients that you will need for this dough. And as you can see, I'm only folding the dough into shape, like square type of shapes. You can also make circles if you want to, but I like to keep mine in square shapes. So yeah, so you don't really have to make a perfect shape, but you know, you get it. You just have to make little shapes like this, and then remember, this is going to raise, especially when you put it aside still, and then it's also going to raise as you put it on the grill, because I mean, it's bread, right? So it raises. So yeah, it's not going to be in the perfect shape as you want, but you get it. So here we go. So yeah, you keep doing this, and after that you finally finished, and then we cover it up, and then we are ready to go to our event for today. As you know, it was 1st of July, and I was preparing this for 1st of July with family and friends. So yeah, come along. Here we are, we made it to the event. So we had bring and braai together with friends, and yeah, so now we're going to start off by putting our dough on the grill. As you can see here, we are not putting it directly on the fire, so we are putting it on the top layer where it's still absorbing the heat, and then it's going to have its full capacity to still rise and cook at the same time, yeah, because you don't want it to burn, as you can see. And here we are, look at that. So we have turned it on the other side, and it's doing its magic. That's all you need to do. That's all. I mean, come on, it's simple, isn't it? So yeah, this is how you make your roaster cook or roaster broikie, as many may know it. So yeah, simple as it is. So the one thing that you also need to be putting into consideration when you do your dough, don't make it too thick or too loose, because you still want that nice softness to the bread. So you can see here we are also grilling some chicken, and yeah, this was amazing. You know, I do these videos more especially for my kids. You know, when they grow up, they can always come back to these videos and see and get ideas on, you know, what to prepare, or the meals that they can choose to prepare, or anyone else who is watching this. You know, it's for educational purposes, for anyone who has interest in like spicing up their cooking skills, and you know, getting different perspective on how other people eat and the kind of food that they eat, and you want to mix and twist and use this kind of content. Yeah, let us know in the comment section what would you like us to cook next. And yeah, this is amazing. As you can see, our chicken is all ready now here, and we are going to enjoy our meal. So you can see this end result, and we just add a little bit of butter, and we enjoy this bread, grilled bread, guys, grilled bread on the grill. So if you came this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this one. Let me know how this goes for you in the comment section. And yeah, try it. Believe me, you will thank me later. So you can enjoy it with whatever meal you want to. And until I see you in the next one, stay focused and be a blessing.